land? Say yes or no.
Well, is that your land?
I'm asking you. I'm asking you, I need to know, you know, because like I haven't given any permission. I haven't given any permission to trap on this land. Alright. I have. We got all this. I shall call the police in a minute.
Let's go down.
Alright.
Continuous film.
Okay. Right. Where is it?
Okay.
I can't see it. Where is the cage?
There,
Oh yeah.
good.
Yeah. Alright. Oh look. This is it. They're setting traps on our land. This is on David Bellamy's land. There is. Right. Don't touch it. It's nothing to do with us. We'll tell them. Right. These guys have set this trap on the land adjacent to David Bellamy's nature